Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover compound sentences. There is a separate playlist of sentences in English language on my channel and the link of which will be available right in the description box. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Now look at this sentence. I ate some fruit and had a boiled egg. I ate some fruit and had a boiled egg. This sentence has two finite verbs, ate and had. So clearly it is not a simple sentence. For a simple sentence to be one, there should be single finite verb, unlike this sentence which contains two. So in fact it is made up of two clauses and those two clauses are joined by a conjunction and those two clauses are joined by a conjunction and. So therefore it has two finite verbs. So we can split the sentence into two parts. The first part was I ate some fruit, remove the conjunction, and the second is I had a boiled egg. There are two proper clauses or sentences here, right? So ate and had are two finite verbs of this particular sentence. Look at the clauses once again. I ate some fruit and had a boiled egg. I ate some fruit and had a boiled egg. Both of them convey a complete meaning. Both of them can stand on their own. They are independent. So, and both of them are of equal importance. So, in fact, we could have them written as the following. I ate some fruit and I had a boiled egg, or it can be written the other way around, like I ate some fruit, I had a boiled egg. So, a sentence of this kind is called as a compound sentence. Sometimes it is also called as double sentence, since each of the clauses is independent in its meaning and is able to stand alone. So there are two independent clauses which is joined by a conjunction. That is a compound sentence all about. Let us now understand the definition and the complete meaning of compound sentences. A compound sentence contains at least two independent clauses. Okay, so the nature of the clauses in compound sentence would always be independent. There could be more, but at least it should have two independent clauses, and those independent clauses should be joined by either a comma or a coordinating conjunction like such, like for, and, but, or, yet, so, or it could be joined by a semicolon. So basically a compound sentence joins two independent clauses, right, and there should be comma in between and also a coordinating conjunction for, and, but, or, yet, so, any one of it, or it could be also joined by a semicolon. Have a look at these examples here. The participants had arrived but the judges were yet to come. The participants had arrived but the judges were yet to come. There are two clauses, two finite verbs, had and were, right? The participants had arrived, one clause. The judges were yet to come, another clause, right? And joined by a comma and a coordinating conjunction, but. And both of the clauses are of equal rank and importance, right? Have a look at the next example. He is not responding, he is probably not interested. He is not responding, he is probably not interested. So therefore two clauses, two finite verbs again. So is not responding is the first finite verb, is another finite verb, right, and it is joined by a semicolon, right. Students, point to be noted while recognizing a compound sentence is it should have a coordinating conjunction and two or more independent clauses. The clauses should be independent in nature. We omit the second subject in the clause of a compound sentence if the subject is common for both the clauses. If a compound sentence is made up of two clauses and if the subject of the second clause is the subject of the first clause, means if it has common subject, then the second subject is omitted most of the times. If you see this sentence, you will able to recognize easily. Humphrey Davy worked hard for several years and invented a safety lamp. So, you omitted because the subject Humphrey Davy was common in both the clauses, so we omitted it. So, we omit the subject if it is common. Yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links will be there in the description box. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.